Welcome back to Houston Live. Now is a time of year that you're looking for a friend with a pool because it's hot. But if you are the friend with the pool, you know just how much time and effort it takes to keep that pool sparkling all summer long, which is why we are so excited to have in studio today BeatBot Managing Director for North America, Patrick Jennings. Okay, so welcome to Studio B, Patrick.
Thank you.
And for people that don't know what BeatBot is, do you want to explain it?
Sure. It's a robotic pool cleaner, cordless, that is going to make your pool cleaning experience painless. You're going to drop it in, it's going to do its job, and when it's done, it's going to float to the surface, give you a message on your phone, and that's it.
This is such a game changer, I feel like, for pool owners, anyone who's used to hosting, because it's a big job. It can involve a lot of cleanup, and really, this BeatBot is doing many jobs in one now. Can you break it down for people, the things that the robot, the little pool robot does for everyone?
Absolutely. It's going to clean the floor, it'll clean the walls, the water line, the surface, and it can add a clarification agent into the pool to make your pool cleaner if you need it.
It's literally doing 5 things in one. And you say it's all to do with that camera. That camera is something that makes this BeatBot extra special because it can survey the pool and then decide what it needs to do, correct? How does it work?
Yeah, absolutely. So once you drop it in, it's going to map out your pool so it figures out the most efficient path to clean. And then after it's done, the camera will help it actively detect debris that it missed.
Yeah, this is such an innovative thing. And after so long of people, having robots to help them with their indoor cleaning, now they have something for the pool. How was this received when this first went to market? I mean, this must have blown people away.
Yeah, it was really awesome because for the last, 20, 30 years, there was not a ton of innovation in this industry. And then as soon as you introduce a product like this, people are going crazy for it. They really want it. They understand that it's saving them time and it's saving them a lot of stress and effort. So it's been going really well.
I'm looking at the video now. This BeatBot is connected to your phone. So it is a smart tool that you just download the app. How does that work? How does the relationship work?
Yeah, as soon as you download the app and you unbox it, you're just gonna set it up. And then the app's gonna allow you to set what mode you want it to do, if you only want it to do floor, if you want it to do everything or only the surface. With this one, you can even drive it on the surface with the app.
No way.
So it's kind of like a RC car for the pool.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And this is something that gives people back. Ultimately, what you want in the summer, you want more time to grill and chill and just hang out by the pool with your family. Let's talk about the technology brand, because this is really, like we said, it's a game changer. But why is it? Is it because of all of the patents that you guys have? Tell us about BeatBot as an innovator globally.
Yeah, so we have a lot of patents. Most of our team, 70% of our team, is from the robotics industry. So they came together and said, we need to make something truly amazing. And with that, we have various models depending on price points for each consumer, but they've actually just been able to kill it and make it really awesome for pool owners and saves a lot of time.
I mean, I can clearly see that, but I'm someone who doesn't have a pool. What do you tell the people out there that already, maybe they already have their pool that has their bot that has a cord? So what do you tell someone that already has the old way of doing things? They already have their pool care routine.
Well, then we would say, do you want it to be simplified? Because with a corded machine, it's going to get tangled, it gets caught up on a ladder or a diving board or something. And with this one, you're not going to have that problem.
Okay.
So all you have to do is pull it out, stick it on the charging base, hose out the filter, and you're good to go for the next round. So it's just going to make it a lot simpler. Your routine's going to change because you don't have to focus as much on your pool.
Yeah, and I just think of that old school skimmer that so many people will be there on the top and working, trying to get every leaf off. This BeatBot does it all. It'll skim the top of the pool as well.
Yep.
That's amazing. That's amazing. And there are different varieties of BeatBot, right?
Yeah, so we have all different price points. Some of them have a little bit less functionality, and then as they go up, they get more functionality, but they're all going to map the pool intelligently with 20 to 27 sensors, and it's going to clean your pool like you've never seen before.
It's a game changer. Patrick Jennings, thank you so much for taking the time to explain what BeatBot is to us. And for our viewers that want to learn more, all you have to do is visit beatbot.com. And today only, BeatBot has a special offer for Houston Live viewers. Use the exclusive coupon code Houston to save up to $800 online at beatbot.com. Again, that code is only valid today. We'll be right back with more on Houston Live.